After I learned to make rice like this, my family asks for it every week. Let's start by beating 3 eggs in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Mix well until everything is smooth. Heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil and pour in the beaten eggs. Fry until golden brown and set aside. Now let's prepare the prawns. In another frying pan, add 250 grams of shrimp and fry until golden brown. This will make the dish even tastier. Add a grated carrot to the prawns and mix well. Then add the fried eggs and mix everything together. Once the rice is cooked, add it to the mixture. Adjust the salt and pepper to taste. A touch of sesame oil will give it that special flavor. Stir well to combine everything. Finish with some chopped parsley and spring onions. And voila! A nutritious and mouth-watering dish is ready. And there you have it. Delicious rice that will be a hit on your table. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Bon appetit and see you next time.